So I went to EV Power website and put all in shopping chart and look at the price. It's crazy how expensive these things are. Over 4,000 euros. What? I think that's very good deal to get all this from 1,000. I have to test batteries, but wow. And this meanwhile power supply 72 to 12 volt converter, it price is about 300 euros. Whoa, pretty expensive. So that adds more, like 300 euros to 4,000. So very good deal to get all this from 1,000. Battery management system. Well, I make my BMSs mostly myself, and I think, I don't know, maybe someday I use this. And this was 500 euros. I don't understand why so expensive. There's no expensive stuff here. And this current sensor. This is Hall sensor. Can put cable through here. This is 400 amps, and my off-grid system shunt is also 400 amps, and so maybe I can use this in the future. And this I don't know what this is. Okay, it's DC to DC converter, 75 volt input and 12 volt 8 amps output. It's very small. I don't believe that you can get 8 amps output for this. It must be very efficient and nice. Okay, 12 volt lighter plug. Okay, this is for car. 6 to 50 volt DC. Weird. More stuff. USB hub. Dual supply. 9 to 32 volts, 0 volts. What the heck? More stuff here. And this fuel gauge. It's for car, electric car, something like that. Mini PC. He said that it was for data logging, BMS data logging. I don't know. I just connect it and see. This is maybe Android PC. And this is very powerful DC to DC converter. Input 31 to 72 volts, output 12 volts, 60 amps. I think I can adjust voltage a little bit here, and this is input and output. I hope this is efficient. Wondering what no load current might be. It seems it works. Then upload. Efficiency is common, 85%. Low load is 10 watts. No load power. So if you no load, then you waste 10 watts. But it works. And this massive 30 amp charger, 48 volt. I think this can be modified. I can modify this voltage output. Here is some LED and BMS control. So if you want to turn off, then BMS turns charger off. Massive lithium battery charger, 30 amp, 48 volt. I think I solder XT60 connector here and test this. I open it up and it seems that this spot changes the final voltage. It's weird that if battery not connected, then it checks every about 20 seconds like that. So it checks is battery present or not, but right now it's not. I set it to 58.4 volts. It's about 4.17 volts per cell, so I think it's okay. And this massive charger, it's 72 volt 35 amp charger. Pretty big. Check these fans. Powerful charging. So it has opened. The guy said that it has two halves and one is broken, so it charges half rated amps. I'm gonna check out what this is. Maybe I can fix this. I open it up and test it. It seems that these MOSFETs may be broken. Multimeter shows open circuit here. These small MOSFETs drives these gates, and these are short circuited, and I think they also broken. So I removed this broken part and bought MOSFETs from eBay. I have to wait about a month to get them, so I used this one, made this XT60 connection, and let's test if this charger works. Okay, lights are on, and let's connect the battery. It seems it's charging, so it works. This is another part that I'm trying to fix. If I get MOSFETs from eBay, this charger is completely separate parts. I think I make 2 chargers of them if I can fix this. And this is LiFePO for one part. I desoldered BMS connections wires already, so, and this is another part, this battery. I disconnected all cells and cleaned the contacts and measured the voltages. All voltages are pretty equal, 3.29 volts, and the guide said that it used about 50 cycles, so they are pretty new. 4 kilowatt hour cells together. I put these all in series and charging now using DC to DC converters, 4 amps each, so 8 amp charging from 248 volt 18650 packs. They're pretty balanced. I use these my own BMSs to balance, but this new cell here is lower than others, so I use just PC power supply 5 volts and look at voltage that doesn't go very high. I think it charges about 7 amps one cell right now. So to discharge this battery and test, I use solar charge controller and use this battery as solar panel. These are solar panel wires, and I connected battery directly here, and to limit current I use just piece of wire. This wire is has resistor, This make solar controller think that battery is full and charging the end of battery because the voltage drop, and it works nicely. So you can use solar MPPT solar charge controller as DC to DC converter. 150 volt input and 48 volt output. And here is what PC shows. Bat voltage is my house off-grid battery voltage, and PV voltage is this 21S LiFePO4 pack that I am testing, and state of charge is of course 100%, and to 1200 watts. I hope to get 4 kilowatt hours from this battery. So now battery voltage is 65 volts. Lowest cell voltage is 3.07, and I got 4.1 kilowatt hours. 0.4 was for before